Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create tasks in the staff portal. It's simple. First, let's understand what projects and tasks are. Projects are made up of smaller tasks that work together to achieve a bigger goal. For example, planning a school music fair can be broken down into tasks like ticket sales, venue setup, and arranging rehearsals. Admins can assign tasks to anyone, teachers, staff members, or students, and teachers can delegate tasks to their students. But not every task needs to be part of a project. They can be standalone activities. For now, I'll walk you through making a task. There are two ways to do this: a quick task through the dashboard or using the Tasks and Projects page, which offers more advanced features. First, let's do the simplest way. Make sure we're at the dashboard, then locate the Quick Task widget. This is where your task list is displayed. To add a new task, type the name of the task you want to create and hit Enter. The task will be instantly added to your list. To manage existing tasks, click the three-dot icon next to any task. This will bring up options to either edit or delete the task. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive approach, this is the way to go. Head to the navigation menu and click on Tasks and Projects. Under Live Tasks tab, click the Create Task button. First up, let's enter the task name and pick a priority level from the drop-down to highlight its importance. Add more about what needs to be done in the details box and assign someone to it by adding a responsible person. Don't forget to set a deadline by choosing a date, but this is optional. If you're ready to wrap this up, go ahead and finish here or keep following along for more detailed and optional features. First, adding checklist. Just name your checklist and start adding items. If you need to clear the list, hit remove all or keep adding more checklist if you need several. Planning to use this format again? Tick save this as a template before you save your work. You can always set any feature as a template to avoid repetitive tasks. Next up, manage the created by section. This part shows who created the checklist, but you can change it by clicking on the name. Add more people who'll work on this or just keep track by adding them as participants or observers. You can also go into details with this task. Now, let's discuss time planning. For tasks that need strict timing, set your start and end times. If you're tracking time spent on tasks, make sure to enable time tracking. Once you're set, hit save to lock in your schedule. Now let's get our task linked to a project. We'll pick one from the drop-down. Need reminders? Set them up by choosing the dates and times that work for you. You can even add extra reminders if you think you'll need more nudges. Once everything's set, hit save to wrap up your project setup. Finally, you can add notes too. Here's how. Navigate to the Notes tab and use the formatting toolbar to style your text. Add images, links, or other tables too via the Insert menu. Once you've saved your task, this is how it appears on the task page. Additionally, you can view your task in the Kanban view, which lets you visually track its progress among other tasks. It's a great way to keep everything organized and clear. And that's it. You've learned how to add and manage tasks using the Tasks and Projects module. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.